Accessory dwelling units, also known as ADUs, Ryan, we've got an update on what's going on with the status of ADUs. So take it away, sir.
Yeah, into response to what the state officials have really called a housing crisis in Arizona, really due to rents and home prices rising at a high rate. So Governor Katie Hobbs, she signed House Bill 2720 and 2721 on May 21st, just recently here. So House Bill 2720 will make it easier to construct an accessory dwelling unit, or most people know them as casitas out here, and that's on a lot for single family homes. And the other bill that was actually passed is House Bill 2721, which prohibits cities from discouraging the development of what they call middle housing, which consists of duplexes or triplexes or townhomes. Now, we spoke about the casitas last year because Tucson and Phoenix had passed laws allowing them, but now this is a statewide regulation, and it really allows city populations of more than 75,000 to build these. So it's really a great option for families looking to supplement their income because, you could always rent these ADUs out, or you could have family, live in them and help kind of support your household income. So it really helps with affordable housing for renters and to help pay that mortgage payment for home buyers. And that other one, the 2721, is really going to encourage the building of 2 to 4 unit homes to really lower the restriction for these types of properties, which is all good news for making, Arizona more affordable for renters and for homeowners.
That's really great news. Now, is there a restriction on the size of the lot that these can be built on, or talk to me about that?
Yeah, they really haven't come out with too much of the details of that, but they really didn't act like there was much of a restriction as long as it's within the limits of that 75,000 or more of the city population, and it's a single family residence, then they don't really have the restrictions laid out.
Telling you, construction homes. We'll do a topic
Yes.
on that. Or not, container homes, not construction homes, container homes.
Oh, yes.
That's a great one. So yeah, you guys, this is an awesome topic and a hot topic that I know a lot of folks have started to take advantage of. So if you have any questions regarding casitas or accessory dwelling units, please reach out and we'll be more than happy to help. So thanks, Ryan, as always, and we'll see you guys next week.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.